Hi, this is Sam. So in this session, we are introducing a new feature in Elldy, so AI build. So let me show you how this works. So I am importing a data set right now, and you can see Elldy is preparing your data for analysis. This takes just about 1 minute. So that's it. Now, so let me take you to the dashboard. So here you can see right now the dashboard is empty, nothing here at. So, but check below, we have an option called AI build. I'm just going to click this and that's it. So your dashboard is ready in just 5 to 10 seconds. And the best part is it doesn't matter what kind of business you have, small, medium or large, any business that works with data can use this. You just upload your files, click AI build, and LA builds your complete dashboard automatically. So no technicals required and no complicated setups. So instead of spending hours in Excels and file CSV spreadsheets, you can instantly see your sales numbers, track your orders, check your store performance, monitor your inventory. So all in one dashboard. Everything is clear, visible, and ready in seconds. And if you want to go even deeper, LD has an analysis workspace where you can explore more patterns and uncover insights that help you make better decisions for your business. So we are also adding a dataset for you in the description. So just import it in LD and try the AI build option yourself. So thank you so much.